There are a lot of ways to interact with your media in the timeline panel. The better you understand these concepts and tools, the faster of an editor you'll become. That's what we want. This is the playhead, sometimes casually called the scrubber, and it denotes what part of your timeline you're currently viewing in your program monitor. I can select it and hold to move back and forth. This is called scrubbing, and you see the video reacting accordingly, showing you in the program monitor exactly what's contained in your video clip at that point in time. Scrubbing is very nice for being able to move around your timeline quickly and to check edits without having to play back in real time. Of course, you're going to want to play back your sequence in real time often, and there's a bunch of ways to do this. First and most basic is to use the mouse to select the play stop toggle button. And when I do that, you can see it's playing back. Select again to pause playback. But the honest truth is that no experienced editor chooses to play back that way. Generally, the less you have to take your hands off the keyboard, the faster and more efficiently you'll edit. Most editors will use the spacebar to initiate and stop playback. If I simply use the spacebar, I can rapidly start and stop playback. It's easy, fast, and pretty much impossible to forget once you know it. Another often used way to navigate around the timeline is with the J, K, and L keyboard shortcuts, known as the shuttle controls. J shuttles left or plays in reverse. K pauses the playback. And L shuttles right or plays forward. One of the big benefits of using the shuttle controls is that they can change speed. If I move my playhead back to the very beginning of my sequence, and then select the L key on the keyboard to start shuttling, it'll start moving to the right. If I select it again, it speeds up, again, and again, and again. Of course, there's an upper limit to how fast you can make it go, otherwise you'd end up breaking the speed of light, and it works the same way in reverse. I'll select the J key on the keyboard, and it plays in reverse at normal speed. But if I select it again, and again, and again, it speeds up. Some other helpful navigation tools are the left and right arrows, which will step you forward or back one frame, which is useful when you're making small surgical edits.